Welcome back, Kings and Queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today, I am in Canva, and I'm just messing with some designs. A lot of people are using the AI designs from Creative Fabrica, and once you have the design, people are kind of like, okay, what do I do next? So I was just messing with some ornament ideas, and so I am going to create some ornaments. But the first thing I'm going to do is basically design it. So I'm in Canva. I am actually using the Pro version, so I'm not sure if this is available in the free version as well, but you guys can try it, or you can just size it down and I'll just tell you what I'm doing and you can go from there. So when you're in Canva, you go to your home screen, you can click create a design, and you can pick any size paper that you want. I'm using an 8.5 by 11 so that I have what looks like a standard sheet of paper. Then I went into elements. When you click elements, you'll see all of your elements, anything you recently used, and you can go up here and click frame. So I picked a circle frame because I'm working with some wood rounds and I have an idea that I'm trying to test out. So I am sizing this down to about 3 inches because that is the size of my wood round. I have my uploads of my designs, and all I'm going to do is take that design, hover it over, and now that's what I get. So if you're making an ornament, if you're doing sublimation, or if you are doing earrings or anything like that, I just wanted to show you a way that you can use them, because these will probably be some really cute earrings too. So I'm going to go back to my elements because all of my images are going to be 3-inch circles today. I certainly could just duplicate it and go over it again so I don't have to keep picking a 3-inch size round, but I'm just going back to show you. And then I'm picking my image and I'm going to put it on. Now, the upside is it frames it for you. The downside is you don't have a whole lot of room that I am aware of to be able to move your image exactly where you want it. So if you were using a paper cut or something like that, and you just printed the full image, when it comes out, you can size it or shape it to get the maximum space of where you actually want it. I hope it makes sense. So let me say it like this. This is the image, right? If I made her size her down to a 3-inch image, or as close to 3 as I can get, because it's 3 by 3.1, but I'm not going to worry about it. So if I went over here and I was looking for my frames, just trying to see if I can find something different, but I'll just go with the circle for now. Come on, work with me. So I just want a circle shape, right? So if I pick a circle shape and make sure this circle is about 3 inches, I can now move the circle shape just like you would a little circle punch, and move it where I want it to be able to capture whatever image that I wanted to capture. And I'm going to try to make it transparent so you guys can just kind of see. If I move that circle around, I can move it over here, I can move it here, and I can punch the hole wherever I want it to be able to capture which part of her face I want it. When you're working with the standard frame in Canva, it does it for you. So that can be a benefit to some people, but if you like to have the control over choosing what you want, that might not be a benefit to you. So again, I'm picking that design, and another one of the designs that I have is her, and I'm just going to drag her over and see what happens. And she is so pretty, y'all. So there you go. This is a way that you can use it. My theory that I want to test out today is doing wood rounds. So you may see a video on that coming up. Just actually taking it and putting it on the laminated ornament and pressing it into my own DIY sublimation ornament. So I'm testing this out because I want to see if it's actually going to work. But I hope this part helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and you guys have a great day.